Your new channeling topics: Wave 7, Starforge, 7th arc of fresh themes for long-form channelings, 12 to 15K. Crafted with Arcturian philosophy, Buddhist insight, Christ consciousness, universal unity, NLP tools, biodecoding frames, and numerology keys. Emojis included. No questions inside the texts. Ask for any with Dame Uno plus number. 145. Public calm. On-stage nervous system mastery. Focus. Hold coherence in speaking, streaming, and live rituals. Angles to weave. Box breath. 4-4-4-4. Soft belly stance. Gaze anchors. 1 leadership numerology. Post-talk discharge right. Varsar 146. Social proof ethics. Testimonials with integrity. Focus. Share wins without hype. Protect consent and truth. Angles to weave. Consent scripts. Anonymization options. Refund grace. 6-care numerology. Case study liturgy. Dates 147. Content numerology. Publishing rhythm codes. Focus. Match release cadence to 1, 3, 5, 8, 9 signatures. Angles to weave. Weekly grid. Portal overlays. Rest weeks. Metric reflection. 22 builder numerology. 148. Rejection alchemy. No as navigation. Focus. Turn refusals into redirection and refinement. Angles to weave. PNL reframe grid. Apology. Repair options. Story rewrite. 9 closure numerology. Gratitude trophies. 149. Traveler's field. Empath protocols on the move. Focus. Keep the aura clear through transit, hotels, events. Angles to weave. Salt shower. Door frame breath. Water bowl bedside. Compass check. 7-minute room sweep. Bura 150. Self-vows. Sacred commitments that hold. Focus. Make promises to self that are kind and enforceable. Angles to weave. Scope boundaries. Renegotiation windows. Witness buddies. 3 joy numerology. Altar signing. 151. Gossip boundaries. Clean speech culture. Focus. Keep conversations coherent without control. Angles to weave. 4 gates of speech. Blue flame pause. Consent to share. 5 freedom numerology. Repair scripts. Vir 152. Stealth launches. Quiet rollouts. Strong fields. Focus. Seed offers softly before public reveal. Angles to weave. Beta circles. Invitation vows. Refund grace. 8 reciprocity loops. Afterglow integration. Beso 153. Arcturian breath kriyas. 2. 4 precision patterns. Focus. Install state changes via breath geometry. Angles to weave. 5-5 coherence. 4-7-8 calm. 1-3-1 focus. Hum toning. Numerology overlays. Dorda 154. Perfectionism biodecoding. From freeze to flow. Focus. Unhook worth from flawless output. Angles to weave. Parts dialogue. Safe to ship vow. 45-minute sprints. 5 adaptability numerology. Celebration ledger. 155. Money date rituals. Weekly finance temple. Focus. Turn numbers into clarity and peace. Angles to weave. Gratitude tithe. 3 buckets. 8 stewardship numerology. Receipt burn right. Prayerful analytics. Baker 156. Sacred moderation. Gatekeeping with grace. Focus. Hold community containers that heal and protect. Angles to weave. Entry vows. Strike system with repair. Consent checkpoints. 4 structure numerology. Exit blessings. 157. Mentor covenants. Agreements of growth. Focus. Teach and learn without dependency or abdication. Angles to weave. Scope ladders. Lineage gratitude. Feedback cadence. 11 inspiration numerology. Graduation rites. Those 158. Song as therapy. Healing through writing and voice. Focus. Compose to metabolize emotion and anchor identity. Angles to weave. 3-act lyric map. Toning vowels. Breath phrasing. 3 joy numerology. Sharing ceremony. 159. Color codes of home. Chromatic sanctuaries. Focus. Use color to sculpt mood and field coherence. Angles to weave. Blue calm zones. Gold focused desk. Rose soft altar, door numerology, candle filters. 160. Initiation ladder. Minor, major, grand rites. Focus. Structure milestones that honor growth without rush. Angles to weave. Threshold breath, witness circles, archive vaults, 22 builder numerology, release and receive rites. 161. Conflict studios. Team repair rooms. Focus. Turn friction into innovation and trust. Angles to weave. 2-chair repair, timeouts apology, plus amends, 2 partnership code, debrief ritual. Dharma. 162. Naming offers. Resonance and numerology. Focus. Choose names that transmit truth and magnetism. Angles to weave. 11-22-33 maps, sound tests, audience attunement, 139 momentum, blessing release. Direrna, air, 163. Shop front field. Energetics of selling spaces. Focus. Align online pages and physical booths with clean magnetism. Angles to weave. Entry altar, refund grace signage, blue flame seal, 8 reciprocity loops, scent and sound. 164. Consent and AI creativity. Co-creating with clarity. Focus. Use AI tools for art and voice with ethics and sovereignty. Angles to weave. Consent to clone. Attribution vows. Data hygiene. 5 freedom numerology. Audience transparency. Varde. 165. Legal love. Gentle contracts and boundaries. Focus. Agreements that protect dignity and flow. Angles to weave. Plain language clauses, scope, exit windows, privacy vows, 4 structure numerology, repair paths. 1166. Graceful offboarding. Completing client journeys. Focus. End engagements with beauty and referrals. Angles to weave. Thank you letters, archive packs, refund grace, 9 closure code, afterglow check-ins. Jura. 167. Kitchen temple. Meal plans for coherence. Focus. Cook as ceremony to stabilize energy and mood. Angles to weave. 5 color plates, water blessing, gratitude sips, 6 nurture numerology, tea vigil. 168. Blue flame for families. Household practices. Focus. Will, compassion, and truth woven into daily home life. Angles to weave. Morning pillar prayer, honesty circles, boundary mantras, 7-minute resets, celebration board. Nandes. Usage note, request any item with Dame Uno plus number. Delivery in English with emojis, Arcturian, Buddhist, Christ consciousness, unity wisdom, PNL, biodecoding, numerology, real-life stories, techniques, and simple rituals.